Every day left the same. Work unfinished, emails piling up, deadlines looming, and that constant pressure to stay on the top of everything. I thought I could handle it, but the stress, it was overwhelming. Then I discovered ChatGPT and everything changed. Imagine having a system that helps you prioritizing tasks so you always know what needs to attend first. With just a few clicks, I can organize my calendar and make sure I never miss a meeting or a deadline. Writing emails or reports, it's just having a co writer who understands my tone and gets the job done fast. Creating a to do list is effortless. I even automate repetitive tasks, saving time for what really matters. Now my days are more structured. I feel focused, in control, and less stressed. As I embrace this technology, my life is transforming. I am achieving goals, feeling confident, and finally, I have more free time to enjoy the things I love. Struggling with focus? Let's AI simplify your day. Get more done, stress less. This is productivity redefined. Dear learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Thriving Together, where we elevate life and career one step at a moment. What is productivity and how ChatGPT can help us? Let's ask the same thing to ChatGPT. I open it and I put, I wanna make myself productive. Help me with the understanding of productivity. It defines productivity in a manner. Productivity is not just about being busy all the time. It is about achieving valuable results efficiently and consistently. Means doing the right thing that actually matter and doing them well without wasting time or energy. Core elements of productivity. The first one is clarity of purpose. Know why you are doing and what you are doing. The next is prioritization. Not all the tasks are equal and not all the tasks are important. Focused on the high impact task first. Moving to the time management, manage your time intentionally, not reactively. Try time blocking and batching of similar tasks. Energy management. Productivity is not just about time, it is about how well you can focus. Sleep, hydration, movement, and breaks matter more than people think. Focus and elimination of distractions. Multitasking is a myth. Do a task at a time so that it is perfect. Systems and habit. Build routines that automate good decisions. Can ChatGPT help me being more productive? And the answer is yes. How ChatGPT can help me? Here are the few ways. ChatGPT can help me with task management and prioritization. It can give me the daily plans. It can write a content for me. It can set my goals and track my goals as well. It can help me with the time management. It can give me the instant knowledge and learning, and also it can reduce my stress. Okay, so let's test ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, create a daily plan for tomorrow. And yes, within few seconds, it gave me the plan for tomorrow. It started from 9 a.m. and the plan continues till 5:45 in the evening. Now I want this schedule in the form of a chart. So I asked the same to it and it gave. Here is the chart. Now I want this chart to be customized. So I asked ChatGPT to add my personal life also. I will wake up at 5 a.m. and I will do yoga first. So it gave me the updated chart as per my requirement. Now the chart routine started from 5 a.m. including yoga and my morning routine as well. After 9 to 6 job, it also added a dinner, evening walk and sleep time. So you can use ChatGPT in your own way. You can customize it accordingly. You can ask the questions according to your routine. I hope this is valuable.